In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an NDA for signing in DocuSign. By the end, you'll confidently prepare, send, and track a non-disclosure agreement without any back and forth paperwork. We'll keep it simple and secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to DocuSign. Log in with your email and password, or create a new account if you're just getting started. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option to create a new envelope. Choose New, then Send an envelope. Think of an envelope as a digital package. It holds your NDA, your recipients, and all the signing instructions in one organized place. Next, upload your NDA. Click Upload and select the file from your device. Give it a quick preview to make sure the pages look correct, the text is clear, and nothing is missing. A clean, readable document prevents signing delays. Now add your recipients. Enter the name and email for each person who needs to receive the NDA. Assign the appropriate roles. The signer is the person who must sign the document. You can also add a CC if someone simply needs a copy for their records and doesn't need to take action. Keep recipient details accurate to avoid bounce backs or confusion. Add a short professional message so your recipient knows exactly what to do and why. Something like, "Please review and sign the attached NDA at your earliest convenience." Clear messages help your request stand out in busy inboxes. Before we continue, a quick note. You'll find the official DocuSign website link at the very top of the description, so you can follow along or get started right away. If you need extra safeguards, configure optional settings like an access code or phone verification for authentication. You can also set reminders and an expiration date to keep the process moving and avoid stalled signatures. Now it's time to place the fields. In the document editor, drag and drop the signature, date signed, and any other required fields like initials, text, or checkboxes onto the correct spots in your NDA. Double check that each field is assigned to the correct recipient. Take a moment to zoom in and verify every page so there are no missed fields or mismatched colors. When everything looks right, review the recipients and the document one last time, then click Send. DocuSign will email a secure signing link to your recipients, and you'll receive status updates as they view and sign. That's it. You've sent your NDA for signing. Thanks for watching.